Hello everyone, I Madhulika Shrivastava, class teacher of class 2 is present before you online again to teach you mathematics unit 7. In this part of video, I will explain the book exercise of unit 7. So let's start. First, in this page, there is a question. Fill in the placeholders as shown. One has been done for you. Here is the picture of some monkeys. In one group, you can see there are 3 monkeys, and in this way there are 3 groups. In 3 groups, there are 3 monkeys. So in addition form, there is written 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9, and in multiplication form you can write 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Here is the example. It is the example, and like this you will solve other problems. In second picture you can see there in one circle there are 4 dogs, and in second circle also there are 4 dogs, and in third circle also there are 4 dogs. It means there are 3 groups, and in each group there are 4 dogs. So in addition form, so you will write 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 times you will write 4, and its result will be 12. And in addition form also you have to write 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Like this you will solve all pictures problem. In page number 91 also you will solve like this. You will see the pictures of different fruits. You will count and you will solve in multiplication form. It's very easy, not too difficult. You will see and solve. Now come to page number 92. Here's the question. Write the multiplication fact for each of the following one has done for you. Here is written in addition form, students. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It means 6 times. Here is written 2 and is equal to 12 here. So you will have to convert it into multiplication form. 2 into 6. How many times are 2s are there? 6 times. So you will write 2 into 6 is equal to 12. In second box you can see 3 has been written 7 times. So you will write here 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Like this, in third box 4 has been written 5 times. So you will write here 4 into 5 is equal to 20. And in fourth box you can see 6 has been written 4 times. So you will write here 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Like this you will solve other boxes problem. On page number 93, here is the question. Find the product using multiplication as repeated addition. 1 has been done for you. Here is written 4 into 5 is equal to, how many times you will have to write 4? 5 times. In addition form you have to write 4 5 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 20. This is the example given for you, and from next time you have to write yourself. Here in second box you can see 5 into 3 is written. So how many times you will write 5? 3 times. You have to write 5 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. 5 into 3 you will write, or 5 plus 5 plus 5 you will write 3 times in addition form. So answer will be always same. Like this, 3 into 6. So 3, how many times you will write? 6 times. So 3 you will write in addition form 6 times, and its result will come 18. Same answer will come. Like this you will solve other questions also on this page. Now come to next page. Use the number line for multiplication and fill the placeholders. Here you can see, students, that here is written 4 into 5. So line for multiplication. You can see that 4 into 5 if there is written. So you will write 4 5 times. Okay, only you will have to write 4 5 times in addition form. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to will be 20. Like this you will solve page number 94 and page number 95. Also in addition form you will solve all these questions. Now come to page number 106. Here is the question. Fill in the placeholders with the help of multiplication tables. Students, I know that you have learned the tables. Only you have to count the tables and will write the answers. Okay. First is example. You can see 3 into 5 is equal to 50. And in second box you can see 6 into 7 is equal to what will be 6 7 ja. It means that 6 7 ja will be 42. 7 6 ja same will be 42. 5 8 ja 40. Like this you will solve all the tables. Now come to page number 107. Here you can see the word problems. Students, one I will explain and other word problems you will solve yourself. It's a very easy, not too difficult. Here is the question. A bundle has 5 sticks. And how many sticks are there in 6 bundles? If one bundle having 5 sticks, then if it is asked that in 6 bundles, how many sticks will be? So you will have to multiply from 6 to 5. 5 into 6 is equal to 30 sticks will be. Like this you will solve the second word problem. One tricycle has 3 wheels. And how many wheels are there in 5 tricycles? So for this you have to multiply from 5 to 3. So result will be 15. 5 3 ja 15. And what is asking here? Wheels. How many wheels? So you will write in answer 15 wheels. Like this you will solve number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All word problems you will solve like this. Now come to page number 109. Here is the multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. You can see here, and it is of without carrying. Here is written 12 multiplied by 2. So first we will take 2 and we will multiply to 2. 2 2 ja, what will be 4? So here will be under it we will write 4. And then we will multiply 2 to 1. So 2 1 ja 2. So result we will write downside at the tens place 2. Like this you will solve this also. 21 multiplied by 3. So you can see 3 first multiply to number 1. So 3 1 ja 3. So we will write 3 at 1's place. And then we will multiply 3 to 2. 3 2 ja 6. 6 we will write at tens place. Like this you will solve all these multiplication on this page. Now come to page number 111. It is the multiplication of 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with carrying. Students, it's a multiplication of carrying. So like this you will solve. First, 4 we will multiply from 4 to 3. 4 3s are 12. Of 12 we will write ones place number 2 and we will carry number 1. Then again we will start to multiply from 4 to 1. 4 1 ja 4 and here carrying number is 1. So we will add here carrying number in number 4. So here will be 5. Here will come 5, 52. Answer will be 52. Again see here in second question. From here is 16. We will multiply by 3. If first we will take number 6. We will multiply by 3. 3 6 are 18. 18 we will write here 8 and 1 we will carrying here, and then again we will start to multiply 3 from 1. 3 1 ja 3 and 1 carrying number we will add here. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So answer will be here 48. You must keep in mind, students, that ones place number you will write under the ones place and tens place number you will write beneath the tens place. Like this you will solve this page number all questions. Now come to page number 113. It's a multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number, but answer will come on up to 100 place. Okay, so let's start. First is 26 multiplied by 6. So 6 6 ja 36. So 6 here we will write and 3 here will be carrying number. So again we will start to multiply from 6 to 2. 6 2 ja 12. 12. In 12 we will add number 3. So 13, 14 and 15. So 15 answer will come. So 1 we will write at 100 place. 5 we will write at tens place and 6 we will write at ones place. So answer will come here 156. Again second example you can see 34 multiplied by 6. Then we will start to multiply from 6 to 4. 6 4 ja 24. So 4 you will write on ones place and here carrying number will be 2. We will not write 24 altogether. We will keep 2 as a carrying number. Again we will start from 6 to 3. 6 3 ja 18 and 2 number we will add here in 18. So 19 and 20. So here we will write 20. So 2 you will write at 100 place. 0 you will write at tens place and 4 you will write at ones place. Like this you will solve this page number all questions. Yes students, on page number 114 here is word problems. There are 7 word problems are there. One I will explain here, another you will do yourself. Here is written there are 21 students in a class. How many students are there in such 3 classes? So in 21 you will multiply by 3. So result will be here 3 1 ja 3. First you will write at ones place and 3 2 ja 6. So answer will be here 63. So in 3 classes there will be 63 students. I have solved all this, but you will try to solve yourself. Okay. Now on page number 115 you can see there is order property of multiplication. You can see there is no difficulty to solve, students. For example, I am explaining. Just try to understand. Fill in the placeholders. Here is the question. Here is written 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into what? So which number is here before is equal to, you can see that 3 is given, and in circle which number is not given, that is 2. You can see here 2 into 3, so you will write here 3 into 2. You will have to exchange the numbers. Like this, you can see in second example also, 3 into 4 is equal to 4 into what? So you will see that 4 is given and 3 is missing. So you will write here 3. Okay. 3 into 4 is equal to 4 into 3 will be here. So which number will be here missing from first example, you can see, and you will just fill that number. So its answer will always be same as I had told you in my first video. Now on page number 116, fill in the placeholders. One has been done for you. It is the multiplicative property of 1. You can see that from 1 to any number if we will multiply, the answer will come that number to which we will multiply. Okay, for example, 1 into 3, so answer will be 3. 1 3s are 3. Like this. Other example you can see, 1 4s are, then you know that 1 4s are 4 or 4 1s are 4. Like this you will solve all these questions on this page. Now last page number is 116. It is the multiplicative property of 0. I told you in my previous video that if we multiply from 0 to any number, answer will always come 0. Here is, you can see the one example also given for you, that 1 into 0 is equal to 0. So in second box you can also solve that 0 into 2 is equal to always be 0. So you can see here is in every boxes there is given 0. So answer always you will write, everywhere you will write 0. There is no difficulty to solve these questions. Like this you will solve all the pages. I will explain copy work of unit 7 in my third and last part of video. Till then, thank you and goodbye.